Our world's in serious trouble, and so much of it centers around the food we eat. Simply put, the way most people are eating today is not sustainable. It's unsustainable for humans and human health. It's unsustainable for the planet, and it's certainly not good for animals either. Our grocery stores are filled with processed foods, full of additives and preservatives, GMOs and sugar. Foods that have been grown with synthetic pesticides that pollute our water and our soil. In an effort to maximize their profits, food companies go to extreme lengths to make their products seem healthy by labeling them with things like plant-based, gluten-free, vegan, keto, or all-natural. But the truth is, these foods are often still made in factories, and they can still lead to chronic disease, obesity, and a shorter lifespan. I'm Ocean Robbins, and I'm asking you to join me in taking a stand so we can do things differently. When you enter your name and email on this page, you'll get free access to something that's improved the lives of millions of people, the Food Revolution Summit. After 11 years of Food Revolution Summits that have reached more than 2 million, we're doing something brand new this year. My dad and colleague, best-selling author John Robbins, and I created an 8-part docuseries because we know the power of food to give you the best life possible. That's 8 mind-blowing movies that together address the most urgent food and health information that you need now. We've gone bigger and better than ever, showcasing more than 45 experts who are revealing this year's latest insights about food, health, and planetary survival. We interviewed these experts to ask about thorny issues like whether plant-based meats and other highly processed plant-based foods are good for you. Should you eat fish? Is butter healthy or does it clog arteries? What about B12, omega-3s, and vitamin K2? And the all-important question, which is better, plant-based protein or animal-based protein? And how much protein do you need? During this free online global event, you're going to hear breaking updates on topics that can change your life, including brain health, immune and heart health, cancer, type 2 diabetes, pesticides, fats, carbs, protein, avoiding nutrient deficiencies, and more. You're going to learn how eating the right foods can help you be part of the solution on planet Earth. This is the biggest gathering of food revolutionaries in the world, and it is the place to converge with hundreds of thousands of folks who care about the food they eat like you do. There's never been a more urgent time for you to get informed and to get empowered for your health. So just enter your name and email below, and I'll see you in the summit. Let's do this.